Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Google Nest mic mute and permissions, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To disable the mic mute on your Google Nest device, begin by locating the physical mute switch. This is usually found on the back or side of the device. If the switch is flipped to the red position, your microphone is currently muted. Turn it back to the non-red position to enable the microphone. Next, open the Google Home app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into the same Google account linked to your Nest device. Find your Nest device in the main interface of the Google Home app. Tap on the device icon to access its settings. Scroll down until you see the settings option and tap on it. Within the settings menu, look for microphone or voice settings. Make sure the microphone setting is enabled. Now, check for any permission settings related to your device. Navigate back to the main screen of the Google Home app and tap on the profile icon. From there, select Assistant Settings. Scroll down to find Voice Match and tap on it. Ensure that the Voice Match feature is set up and enabled. This allows your Google Assistant to recognize your voice and respond accordingly. Finally, exit the app and test your Google Nest device to confirm the microphone is working properly. You should now be able to use voice commands without any issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.